I hope I don't look too much like a freaking boy right now, but whatever. Hey guys, it's Shay back with another video. What's up, guys? You go back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, you know the vibes. And as you guys can already tell by today's title, today we're gonna be doing a gorgeous install, but it's not just any kind of install. We're doing a closure install, and we're gonna make that closure look exactly like a frontal, honey. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I get my closures to lay and look like a frontal. Middle part, actually, because I'm actually doing a middle part today. Of course, today's video, we can't forget about our sponsor. Our sponsor today is Yolissa Hair. They sent me this gorgeous, I believe it's a 4x4 closure unit or 5x5. I don't really remember, but all the info will be down below if you guys want to check out my description and purchase this unit or just any unit from them. This is not my first time working with Yolissa Hair. I've worked with them before, and I must admit, quality and packaging and everything is amazing. They sent me so many things. Like, look at this, y'all. They sent me so many things in this gorgeous package, y'all, and I love Yolissa Hair. Like, first I have a scarf to tie my hair because you can't have enough scarves. Like, you need more scarves. Of course, they sent me a wig cap. They always send wig caps in their packages. And then they sent me an edge brush because, once again, you can't have enough edge brush. You need more and more and more. Then they sent me a beautiful pair of lashes. These are so cute. They're like super dramatic and stuff. Yes, here for it. And then they also sent me this head wrap, like a lace wrap, whatever. And then they sent me this satin bag, and it's so pretty. Look at that color, y'all. It's such a gorgeous color. Love your life, love Yolissa Hair. Yes, so pretty. And then they also sent me an elastic band, y'all. I'm always running out of these, so I'm really glad that they sent me this because I needed that. And last but not least, they sent me their card. They said thanks so much for ordering with Yolissa Hair and things like that. Their social media, all the wig types that they have is on here. This is really cool. So yeah, this is the card that they sent, and then the back, just like some information on the wig, how to take care of it, all that fun stuff. I mean, I think that's extremely, you know, helpful because, you know, people who are wigs for the first time, it can be super helpful for them. Anywho, super excited to be working with them today. I'm really excited for this install. I can't wait for you guys to see how it turns out, and I can't wait to see how it turns out personally because I'm doing something a bit different today as far as styling, so you guys have to just keep watching to see what I do. I invested in something a couple days ago. I ordered it off Amazon. I got this really small flat iron. As you guys can tell, like, the right here is like super tiny, so you use this for like your baby hairs and to curl them. So instead of using my huge flat iron, which was this big for my edges, I'm gonna be using this one today to curl them. So I'm really excited to see how it turn out because I want to do like a fluffy edge look with, listen, I'm gonna stop spoiling it. You guys gotta keep watching, and I hope you guys like it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's get into it. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment more video ideas, and let me know what else you guys want to see on this channel. Without further ado, let's get into it. So braids looking a little rough, so we're gonna skip this part and come back. So we're gonna start off with some got to be glued blasting freeze spray. So I use this on my cap, and this is really helpful, and it helps to lay my cap really well. It gives skin, it gives scalp, you guys. So that's what I use. I spray about 3 times, and I also blow dry it, and I also try to put it right in front of my baby hairs, not on them, because it's really important that I don't lay my wigs necessarily on my baby hairs. But yeah, I pretty much spray it about 3 to 4 times depending on, you know, how well I want it to stay or how long I want it to stay. And then I blow dry it and make sure that it's like super hard and super stiff and that it's able to hold on. But since we're doing a closure, I didn't do it all around today. I just did it up in the front and where I wanted it to stop at. I did kind of go further down by my edges and by my ears, but it was no big deal. And now I'm here, I'm just combing back the baby hairs on the wig with my hot comb, making sure that all the excess hair in the front is pulled back so it can be easy application. And then I put some makeup on my lace to make sure that it matches my skin tone, and then I went back and used my hot comb to, you know, smooth it out and put those baby hairs back. And here I am putting some makeup on my cap, making sure that I get the exact same color as my skin tone. And then here I'm cutting it as close as it got to be as possible. As you guys can tell, it's looking like scalp already. Like, look how close I am. I'm getting to those details, you guys. I am literally like, this is like key. After doing my whole bald cap method, now it's time for me to try on the wig and fix it up and customize it to my liking. So here I'm just pretty much adding some wax and hot combing the front of it, making sure that I have a flat, you know, baby hairs in the front. Just make sure that when I put the glue on, it's all flat. So now I'm putting all of the hair in the ponytail because the hair was super thick, which we love, of course. Then I'm using my Hold Me Down Adhesive Skin Guard from Hair by Erica J just to put it right where I'm going to put the glue. It really helps keeping your skin really nice. And then I'm using her glue as well, which is amazing. And then here I'm just cutting off the sides. This is super important, you guys, when working with a closure and you want to make it like a frontal. Really important that you cut off those excess sides that are super thick and don't lay really well with the glue. So this is really important that you cut them off. I almost forgot in that video, but really guys, cut them off because they are no good. But now I'm applying my first layer of glue. I believe I did about 4 layers because I wanted this install to last a while. Then I'm just spreading out the glue with my cap and also on my skin with my edge brush. I just use the back of it. You can really spread the glue with anything. And then here I'm doing my second layer of glue, and I believe like I did like 4 to 5 layers, you guys. And I'm also blow drying it in the meantime. And as you guys can tell, the glue looks clear. It doesn't even look like I have glue on, and this is super important because you want that, you know, glue to be clear because you want your wig to lay really flat and nice, and you don't want the glue showing through the lace. So it's important that you let it dry completely. So now guys, it's time for me to put on the lace, of course. By the way guys, placement is key. You want to put your wig exactly where the glue is, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm adjusting the wig exactly where I want it to be, and then I'm using a rat tail comb to blend in the lace with the glue, make sure that it's melting properly. This is key, you guys. And then after that, I'm using my blow dryer to go in and to melt that lace even more onto that glue. Listen, this is the key, this is the technique. And then I'm using my elastic band to lay the lace even more. Like, we're going through every step, you guys, to make sure that lace is laid, honey. So now I'm going to take out my hair and start parting it and start fixing it up while I wait for my lace to completely melt. I'm using my hot comb to go in and make sure I'm pushing all of the hair back, getting ready to style my hair. I decided to do a middle part today because who doesn't love a good old middle part? And the style that I was going for today, like, a middle part was all I needed. So keep on watching if you want to see that. So guys, what I'm doing right now is pretty much trying to lay the wig completely flat. So I'm going in with some wax on every section. I pretty much section my hair, waxing and then hot combing. I did this in like about 4 to 5 sections just to make sure that the wig is laying flat. This is really important for a flat install because you don't want your hair to look too puffy up top. I mean, the hair like towards the ends can be super puffy and big, but you want the top to be flat and laid. And this is my method slash technique. It works really well for me. I just wax and, you know, apply that pressure with the hot comb, and I also go in with some Got to Be Free spray to make sure that it's holding up. But look how flat that is so quick, you guys. Like, really, like, it's amazing. Like, try out this technique, let me know if it works for you. So we're gonna do the same thing for the other part, well, the other side, and it's pretty easy, you guys. So yeah.
Something wrong with me, I like the way it's I could pretend you was my main nigga, bet you love just how that feel.
So after cutting off my lace, now I'm sectioning some parts for the baby hairs. So I decided to do just 2 swoops on the sides. I didn't want to do swoops in the middle. I haven't done this. I kind of was going for the widow's peak, I believe it's called, in the middle. I didn't really quite achieve that look, but I just wanted to do the 2 baby hairs on the side. That's all I wanted. So now I'm just pretty much like doing a little twist on those baby hairs so I can focus on hot combing the top of the lace, and then I freezed, you know, the lace with some got to be, and then I put on baggy elastic bands to make sure that lace is melted. Okay, gotta do everything to get that lace melted, y'all. So now I'm just gonna cut off the hair just so it won't be in my face, and while I wait for the lace to melt, I'm gonna start off by curling my hair. So this is the part that we've all been waiting for. So I was like to do some wand curls on this curly unit, you guys. I had already blow dried it, so I was like, let's take advantage of that. I'm using some Sleek Sheen from Hair by Erica J. This isn't even a promoted video by her, but I mean, we support black owned businesses and she's amazing and her brand is also amazing, so we're gonna, you know, give kudos where it's due. So here I'm just using my wand curler. Pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is just wrap up the hair around the wand curl, y'all. This wand curl is from Amazon, by the way, if any of you guys are interested. But yeah, I hold on the curls for quite like 25 to 30 seconds, not too long, and then I let it go, and look how gorgeous this curl is about to come out. I do hold it for like 5 seconds though, but just wait, like just wait till I drop this curl. Look at this. How gorgeous is that? Like, I was so proud of myself. I was feeling it, y'all, like, period. So we're gonna kind of speed this up because it's pretty self-explanatory, and I'll get back with you guys once we start on the baby hairs.
Waking up in the crib, sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga sentence in this party, I can't even listen to it. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Trizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store. This isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack, and don't let them get it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had, they gon' last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town.
So guys, after the wand curls, we're just flying at the top with my flat iron. You know, this is really key to keeping that install always flat. And then we're going to start working on some baby hairs. I was using my small flyer that I bought off Amazon. This was super helpful with my baby hairs. It curled them so well. I highly recommend. And look how easily they were able to swoop, you guys. I absolutely loved this install and how it turned out.
I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You feel me, you won't get stretched. Bring Drake to the hood, surround Drake, round Drakes. Even though I got a case.
Hey guys, so this is the final look. I absolutely love it, y'all. Look at this. Like, you can even tell this is a frontal. Like, come on now. And I went for these wand curls, but I wanted that super big, you know, puffy look. So that's exactly what I did. And this hair has so much volume. I believe it's like 200 plus density, and it's like so gorgeous. And look at these beautiful curls, y'all. This hair was able to curl so well. And keep in mind, this is a curly unit. Like, come through. Like, this is not a body wave unit or whatever the case may be, or like, you know what I mean? This is a curly unit, y'all. Like, who you know? It's a curly unit, and that's on that. So yeah, I absolutely love it, guys. I love how this turned out. I can't wait for you guys to see this video. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. Look at this lace, y'all. This unit is absolutely gorgeous to me, you guys. I had so much fun installing this, and I think that it turned out really, really good. I'm actually like super impressed right now. I literally love the way this turned out, and honestly, like, I'm like just such a big fan right now. Like, this is super cute, and I like, you know, it's my first time doing like such a puffy look. I never really do these, and this is so different for me, but I think I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys like it. I was able to melt this closure so good. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, and once again, huge thank you to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video. Really, really appreciate you guys, and it's always a pleasure working with your gorgeous units because they always turn out bomb, as you can see. So yeah, see y'all in the next one, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all. Peace.
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. yeah, yeah. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out